Hello, 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 crafty friends. I hope everyone's having a pleasant day. Today we will work on my first kitty on YouTube using diamond painting by Diamond Art Club called Black and White. It's absolutely beautiful, by Deborah Lewis. And this is the container that we will be using today. It's by Harbor Freight. And these are the drills. It's not a lot of drills. And the drills are basically the diamonds that you will be using on the canvas, on the painting. So let's cut these apart. And we will try to organize them in numerical order. There's three different ways you could actually organize these. You could actually use, well, the numbers, which is, I think, labeled from 1 through 16, because there's 16 colors in this one. Or by the code or the symbols. And we're going to be using the code, which is the DMC code, in numerical order. Okay, and let's see. So we're going to cut all these apart. I'm trying to organize them. So we've got 310, 318, 414. This one 317, so I've got to squeeze that one in between the 310 and 318. And well, I'm organizing these. Let's see. What I like about Diamond Art Club is that everything. The quality is absolutely amazing, excellent. The painting itself is very clear to see, not blurry. And the canvas, of course, which is the back of the painting, is just very, very soft. And the drills, which are the diamonds, or the gems, they are in great condition. Very, very little trash, meaning that you might find one or two or three or four, that they're broken or they're too tiny. So, that's why I would call them trash. Okay. So trying to organize these. Okay. Put those over there. Put those back there. And a lot of people don't like kitting, but I actually like to do this this process. I guess because I like to organize. Okay, and then this is the sticker that it comes with, and I'm going to use that sticker for after I finish with the kitting. I'm going to put it back in the container, and then after I finish with the painting, I'll use that sticker and put it on my diamond logbook. I'm keeping track. Okay, and this is the container that we're going to use today. It's by Harbor Freight. It's a store. I think you can also buy them on Amazon, but there's one nearby. So, and that's the legend. And the legend, this one has 16 colors, 16 different colors. So I guess basically I'm just going to need 16 containers. I think this kit comes with 24 or 25 containers. So all we're going to use is 16. So place them on the table or on the desk. And this sticker thing now, it's new. Before they just gave you the legend, but you had to cut it out yourself. And of course, Diamond Art Club is always trying to improve themselves. And so I guess people were asking for the stickers and they listened. So now they offer the stickers, which is so much easier. Because before you would have to cut them and tape them on the container. So it took a longer time. Okay, so it'll be the first one is number 1. But we're not going to follow that. We're going to use the DMC code. Okay, which is, I believe it's 125, and it's a AB, and it's just very sparkly diamonds or drills. or gems, whatever you want to call them. Gotta find my scissors. Okay, where are my scissors? I apologize. Oh, I've got my tray, because we're gonna need the tray. So what I do is I put the container inside the tray, and then just basically cut out the plastic, the top of the plastic, and then pour the gems. And this, like, let me tell you what's great about this is that, look at this, it's a big bag and it's full of drills, but they fit in there. It's amazing. Okay, I'm just gonna bring it up so you can see it a little bit. Look how sparkly that is, beautiful. Okay, so there you go. I'll put that one in the container. I say, then just continue with the same process. Number 2, which is, I think is a 310, and 310 is usually black, and I think, yeah, I'm not sure if it's one bag. Yeah, it's one bag. Okay, snip, there you go, and put the container in the tray to help. But sometimes you have accidents, and that's okay. It happens. Hey, we're not perfect, right? Oh, and there you go. Brilliant, excellent. So you can see what gonna happen. I've dropped them on the wood floor. I have dropped them on the carpet. Yeah. So there you go. Just put them in the tray, and then try to put them in the container if they still fit. Let's see. Yep, they fit. And then pick that one up, and then the rest, just a little bit left. And as you can see, there's like little pieces that are left of the drill. That one, those are like, that I'll just trash. Okay, in the basket, in the garbage. Okay, now the third one. See, it's very easy. It's actually relaxing. Put some music in the background, you know, and or have a conversation with your buddy. And look how pretty, look how pretty this one is. It's like a very pretty blue. Okay. Now the only thing with these little containers, I love them, but the problem when you tilt them like that, they get stuck like in that little, like behind in the little corner there, the crevice. So so you got to make sure before you open it, you look to see if there aren't any, if there are any of the drills caught in those crevices, because they will spill out when you open the container. So you sort of hit the container with your drill pen, and they'll drop. They'll go down on the inside of the container. Okay, and look at this color. Wow, isn't that pretty? It's like a pretty gray. Okay, and this one is another looking gray color. Maybe a little lighter. I don't know. Okay, snip. And then put the container in the tray and pour again. Okay. This is actually my I have worked this. I think this is my third diamond art painting. I went to a retreat, and maybe like 2 years ago, or more than 2 years, no, maybe 3 years ago. And there was a lady there. Everybody was scrapbooking, and there was a lady there who was working on a diamond painting. I had never seen it before. I said, "What the heck is that?" And I, you know, went up to the lady, and she explained everything, and I was like, "Oh, I gotta try this." At first, I was like, you have to be crazy, because they're so tiny, and I'm blind. I don't think I could do that. But you know what? I said, during the pandemic, you know, I think a lot of people picked up diamond painting. And I decided, heck, you know, I looked at so many YouTube videos. I've watched Stitcherista, Mrs. Coffee. Oh gosh, there's so many. and they're all wonderful, wonderful diamond painters. I've learned so much from them, and I said I gotta get some. So at first I said, you know, I don't want to buy anything too expensive. Let me just try something small, and that's not too expensive. And my first one, actually, I went crazy on Amazon, and I started buying all these diamond paintings. And I ordered also from other companies from China, and the quality is not there. They would take forever to get here, and so I decided to order one from Diamond Art Club because it was my daughter's birthday, and I ordered the Cavalier Cat, and I worked on it for a while. I framed it for my daughter. It came out absolutely beautiful, stunning, and so, you know, I actually enjoy doing this diamond painting because I like to gift them. So like right now I'm working, and then I did another one diamond painting. Oh gosh, what's it called? The one with the bubblegum spaniel. I did that one for my niece, who is also her birthday the end of July, and I'm getting it framed. So, and then right now I am working on the one for my husband for his birthday, and this one is called The Head That Wears the Crown, is the one with the lion. I believe I showed it to you guys on my Instagram and also on a video, and I'll probably try doing a work in progress. I think that's what it's called, but a short one, you know. And that way I'll show you my the one that I'm working on, the lion, my progress. But I also want to work on this one, black and white. And so I've done that one. So I've done 3, well actually 2, and then number 3 is the one that I'm working on right now, The Head That Wears the Crown. And then I'll work on the black and white, that'll be number 4. And then I made 2, one, I think one was from, oh god, what it's called, Craftology. I think they're from Australia, and I got the Jesus Christ one. I made that one for my mom, who is very, very Catholic, very devoted Catholic. So I made that one for her bedroom, and I framed it. And I also ordered another one because you can never have enough Jesus Christ for my mom. I made another one, but this one I got on Amazon. It's the Sacred Heart. And that one, I think it's just, it looks more, it's just more beautiful. It's a little closer. The other one is like farther, and it just looks better. And that's it. I think that's all the ones that I have. And then I've ordered from Craftably. Let's see, what other company? Gosh, Diamond Art Club, Craftably, Home Craftology. Oh god, what's the Spell Queen, I think it's called. And they're all good quality. I just and then I have tons of Amazon ones and from other companies and from China, and I have them in my guest room and hidden from my husband, stash. Hopefully he won't discover it. Yeah, so Amazon's basically been my buddy during the pandemic. So yeah, and I'm also going to work on my a friend that comes over. She loved the one that I made for my mom, the one, the Sacred Heart, the Jesus one, and so she really liked it. So I said, don't worry, I'm going to get it for you, and I'll make it for you. So I got to work on that one too. And that's it, guys. I'm really enjoying diamond painting. It's just very relaxing, you know, and I work on it. And in the evenings, because in the mornings, during the day I like to work on scrapbooking, and then in the evenings I just like to go upstairs in my craft room, listen to some music, or watch YouTube videos, watch, you know, the ladies on diamond painting, and just relax. And I stay up late, like I'll stay up till like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, and that's about it, guys. So here we're almost finished. This is the last container, number 16, and it's actually full. It's a full bag, and there's a leftover stickers, so you could use those for another container. You could actually write those down, and I keep those actually. And here we go. almost over, guys. This is the last container, making sure I don't know if it'll fit all the way. Shake it and pour, and I think it's gonna fit. Yep. Alrighty. Voila, there you go. And that's it, guys. There we go. We have 16 colors, 16 containers. There you go. Finito. And then I've got the sticker with the picture of the painting. Close the lid, and I'll work on it tomorrow or tonight. All right. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.